If you are really in need of generating some income for your properties, if you've got rooms or properties that are empty, maybe go back to those contacts that you will have made back in March and April and May with the local NHS. So subscription service is the next one. Subscription service. Let me see if I can get it onto the screen. Subscription service. Now, what do I mean by that? Now, I've been paying massive attention to what the big chains are going to be doing going into 2021 and beyond. And what quite a few of these big chains are doing is they're starting to offer subscription services. So where basically you just pay a monthly recurring fee and you can utilize and use any of their units on their portfolio. Use this time to update your PMS and your website. So because the hospitality industry has been absolutely just screwed over the course of all of this, there are now grants and things being put in place to help and support. So could you be using this downtime? Could you be using this real quiet time now to find out about those local grants that are in your area? And can you put them into practice? Next one is start emailing. Perfect time to do so. Your guests want to hear from you. There's been all of the sentiment studies, and I've spoken about it all year. And you know, we've looked at them all. We've seen the ones that Fuel have done, that Skift have done, and other people have done, the PMS softwares and whatnot. People want to hear from you. Don't just think that emailing is a scammy or a scummy thing. People want to hear from you, so why not utilize it? Next up, we've got create gift vouchers. We are coming to that sort of time of the year, and especially with people not being able to physically book for right now, but people want birthday presents ideas. They want gifts. You know, they want to be able to buy something for somebody that they know that they will like. And what better than an online gift card that they could purchase for your property to stay with you? So next up on the list is share your story. So again, people want to hear from you. These channels that we are chatting on, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, wherever you want to be prevalent or present, they are free to post. They don't charge you to post. So take full advantage of it. Tell your story. Go live on Facebook. Go live on Instagram. Share the view. Share the latest offerings that you have. Talk about the business, why you got started in hospitality. Again, people buy from people.